Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For this week's Simple SFX, we are going to do really simple cuts and scrapes that can be done in under a minute or two. So for this, you're going to need liquid blood, something that is skin safe because some of them are not. You're also going to need a business card or a piece of firm cardstock. I'm using one of my own. And you'll also need a paintbrush, preferably one that you don't mind getting kind of wrecked. Hi, and welcome back. So last time we talked about bangs, and today I'm going to teach you how to make convincing scratches or cuts in little to no time at all. So you're gonna want an old paintbrush, one that you do not care about. Blood can be sticky, it can leave a little bit of a residue, so if you're trying to avoid that, and your nice brushes, use an older brush. And then a business card, I'm using one of my own. So I'm going to dip my paintbrush in the blood and then slowly work my way down. When choosing a blood, make sure you choose one that is skin safe. Some of them are not safe for skin, they're only safe for clothes. I have an edge here, and then to make the cut, I'm going to roll it up the side of my cheek. And then repeat. Scratch, scratch. Okay. If I want to make a cut that maybe has a little bit more of a road rash effect, I can go back down across. This way. Convincing, right? And so simple. If I want to get a blood drop and my blood's a little bit too thick, I can wet my brush. Wet my brush in some water. And then I'm actually going to just drip a little bit of water into this. There we go. One of the problems I see a lot of people doing, and I almost caught myself doing it, is depending on who you want drips, and you don't want, your face to be faced like if I tilt this way, it's going to come down my face this way. So unless that's where I'm laying when the injury impacts. This is my first time using this particular blood. It does not like water at all. Welcome to SFX 101, kids. This is how you make a hot mess out of what you just did. Looks so nice, and there I went and messed it up. Okay, good points of scrapey impact. Let's talk about placement. The cheekbone is a nice one. just below the eye is a nice one. Bridge of the nose is a nice one. Lip split is one that you can do with this as well. Ta-da! Alright, so simple scratches and scrapes. There you are.